Hello, my dear friends. Today I'm gonna solve you another Olympiad question. So you have been asked to find the sum of these two numbers. This is how I'm gonna solve this one. I'll rewrite this one like 9,999 square plus this one. I will rewrite 9,999 plus 10,000. So if you consider these two numbers, you can see the 9,999 is a common for these two numbers. I will take the common factor out. Then here you got 9,999 plus 1 plus 10,000. 9,999 times this one again become 10,000 plus 10,000. Again, if you consider whole this expression, we can see the 10,000 is common. So I will take the 10,000, take out the common factor. Then here you got 9,999 plus 1, 10,000 times 9,999 plus 1 again become 10,000. So our final answer is 10,000. I will rewrite this as 10 to power 4 times 10 to power 4. Final answer is 10 to power 8.